First, you need to set up your service credentials. There's a helpful sticky note inside the workflow, but you can also refer to tutorial videos if needed. Once everything is configured, you should see this screen. It's important to make sure the connection is successfully tested. When you see the green check, you're good to go. Next, open the workflow. You'll need to pass in some variables. Right now, the workflow expects your project ID and region. These values are injected into the HTTP request node URL. Currently, this uses Veo 2.0. If Veo 3.0 becomes available, you'll only need to update the model name in the URL. After that, define your prompt. This is very important. Optionally, you can also include a negative prompt if needed. Once submitted, you won't get the result instantly. It takes a moment. I forgot to add a wait node, but you can easily add one to pause until the result is ready. Eventually, you'll receive a base 64 encoded video file. The final step is to decode this. That's it. This can definitely be improved further, but it's now fully possible to generate Veo 2.0 videos via HTTPS requests. Enjoy!